All right, everybody, we are in what looks to be the crematorium or the boiler room of the Conway Hospital, old Conway Hospital. It's not really a big room. Well, I mean, it's a big room, but not much room to move around. We're going to take a quick look, and then we're going to go back into the hospital, see what we can find. Paperwork. See what this paperwork says. I can't get it to focus. This is Conway Hospital chemical test. Okay, I'm gonna take a look around. Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were gonna just hold it. As you can see, the boilers are pretty big. Ooh. All right. What are you doing?
Taking pictures.
Oh,
Okay?
here. Yeah, I thought you were trying to take a picture of yourself.
No.
Right, keep an eye on that EMF reader. I'm going to go forward here. Try and get the camera away from my big mouth. Oops. It's okay, I've dropped this thing a million times. Yeah, it looks like it'd be just a furnace room. Huh? In my pocket. Hold on. You want to come over here? There's the controls. Lead paint all over the walls. This looks like it was the crematorium, because look, there's a big gurney right there.
There's a bunch of grenades in here.
I guess the crematorium might have been the bottom floor of the hospital then. Oh, that one looks like it's completely taken apart. It's huge. Sorry, I didn't mean to shine that in your face. Let's see if it'll turn on.
No. Rob.
No, no power. Obviously, it's rusted to shit. Pacific National. That's what it says. Got a timetable sheet right there. Bunch of numbers on it. Like what the power box is. Sure they weren't burning people in here?
Yes.
Seized. Get anything on it?
I'm making a few spikes, but not much.
All right, I guess we'll vacate out of here carefully. Show me some light. There's the big smokestack right there. Goes up probably about, I don't know, 300 feet. It's pretty tall. You never know, but you might catch something on here. Yeah. Oh, move your phone further away from it.
It's the phone. I'm sorry.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it's the phone. Definitely an interesting place. Shine a light in there for me. I still can't see nothing. Hold on. My zoom.
What kind of glass?
All right. We literally had to sneak into here. Look at this. The other place's doors right there are just storage. But hearing all these raindrops, it's really creepy to hear. A broke down building right there. We got what storage in here. All drippy wet. I'm holding the branches back for you. You're welcome. Is that door open when we walked by? Yeah, it was. Alright, yeah, there's another storage room. Not much to see. Old beds from the 80s. And looks like towel dispensers. 3 beds, yeah, to a good home. Go ahead. Oh, look, we got a nightstand, huh? Who knows what kind of files are in there? All right. Are you going to be able to go up steps, Tanya?
Yeah.
All right. There's a tree growing in between the step ladder.
Okay.
Just so you know. What?
I'm the one with the bad news. Yeah, we're all just thinking about my dad.
Right.
Thank you for thinking of me. No, I'm much better. Much better. You need to turn on like that.
All right, yeah, turn your lights off. All right, y'all, I'm going to cut it for a minute so we can sneak over back to the hospital inside. See you there in a minute.